This is the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 9. Number 1. If negative 8 is substituted for x in the equation 5x to the 2/3 plus 11x to the 1/3 plus 2 equals 0, is the resulting statement true or false? Okay, so I'm going to plug in a negative 8. So I have 5 times negative 8 to the 2/3 plus 11 times negative 8 to the 1/3 plus 2. Does that equal 0? Okay, so rational exponents, fractional exponents, remember the number on the bottom is the root and the number on the top is a power. So this is 5 times the cube root of negative 8 squared plus 11 times the cube root of negative 8 to the first plus 2. Does that equal 0? Okay, well, the cube root of negative 8, so that's a number that when you multiply it times itself 3 times, you get negative 8, would be negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. So this is going to be 5 times negative 2 squared plus 11 times negative 2 to the first plus 2. Does that equal 0? Okay, well, negative 2 squared is 4, and negative 2 to the first is negative 2, so this is 11 times negative 2 plus 2. Does that equal 0? 5 times 4 is 20. 11 times negative 2 is negative 22 plus 2. Yeah, 20 minus 22 is negative 2 plus 2 does equal 0. Okay, so is the resulting statement true or false? It's true. Number 2, recall the exponent property that x to the a to the b is x to the a times b, right? So when you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. And then we want to fill in this empty space. There's a fraction here. What fraction should we put here to make this equation true? This says x to the 3/4 raised to what power gives you x to the first. So I want to put something in this exponent that when you multiply 3/4 by it, you get 1. So aside, what I'm trying to figure out is 3/4 times what would give me 1. And I want things to cancel, so I'm going to put 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom. 3 over 4 times 4 over 3 gives me 1. The 4's cancel, the 3's cancel. You could also think of this as 12 over 12, which is 1. So the thing that's missing here is 4/3.